Hi, I'm Lynn.
I'm Stu.
And we're HiFi PiG, and we are at the Northwest Audio Show 2025. It's been an absolutely brilliant show so far. So what we're going to do is take you around the show a little bit about what's happening, all the crowds, all the people. Enjoy.
So is this your first time to the audio show?
No, we've been 2-3 times before.
Is there any specific brand that's brought you here today?
Not really, just interested in all types, but really good music.
So tell me, well, what HiFi do you have at home?
Musical fidelity, pre-power and monitor audio speakers. Oh. But you never know, there's always something better.
How far have you come from today?
So I've come from Bacup, which is in between Rochdale and Burnley, so not very far, about an hour's journey.
And have you had a highlight of the show?
The highlight for me was Coppice, those speakers with the wooden finish and the open baffle. Fantastic sound, but they had the perfect room for those speakers, so it really did sound good.
So you were a regular visitor to the show?
Yeah, just get an email, so we come every year.
On the ground, you should make it pop.